Hey you guys, I hope you had a great weekend. I'm a little tired. It was my daughter's 8th birthday and so we were busy celebrating. But anyway, it was wonderful and we're on the home stretch for the Christmas holidays, which I'm so excited about. Anyway, Christmas and birthday parties is not what I came to chat to you about. I wanted to come and talk to you about our Cleanse and Restore Detox program, which is something that Gus and I run together. And if you haven't met Gus, she's a friend, a nutritional therapist, and she also is involved in doTERRA like me. And so we team together to run this cleanse because we bring different skills and different aspects to it. So this is a 30-day cleanse that we run and it will be for January, of course not for December. And you guys are welcome to join. And you can actually join free of charge. So only for our customers, we invite you to join free of charge. We do recommend that you purchase some supplements through your doTERRA account, but you don't have to. It's only a recommendation and you can choose whether you would like to join and just consume the content or whether you'd like to join with the additional benefits of using the supplements. And I'll run you very quickly through the supplements, but we recommend that you join with the Cleanse and Restore kit. That's something that you can just order through your account, the Cleanse and Restore kit. And I have to warn you, it is a lot of supplements, but they are all amazing. And the reason that there are a lot is because they all do very different things in helping to support your body and to help your detoxification organs work optimally and to help cleanse your gut and to help repopulate your gut with healthy bacteria. So there is a reason why there are so many supplements, and that's why it is our recommendation that if possible, you join with the Cleanse and Restore kit. And if you want to be more selective and only choose certain elements of the kit, then you can also go ahead and do that and just buy those supplements through your account. So I'm going to pop a link below here, which gives a more detailed rundown of all of the supplements in the Cleanse and Restore kit. And like I said, either purchase the Cleanse and Restore kit through your account or choose which individual supplements you want to buy to join the cleanse. And like I said, you can also join without any supplements at all. It's just that you'll get more bang for your buck if you include the supplements as well. But there are going to be so many things that we're going to be teaching you that are going to be of benefit, even if you join without the supplements. And we run this 3 times a year. So it'll be January, spring, and towards autumn that we'll be running it. So, you can always join once. And then if you decide that you want to join with supplements next time around, then you're welcome to do that. So yeah, the reason why I'm suggesting that maybe you think about it now is because, of course, there's the free frankincense available only in December. It's available the whole of the month. But if you're wanting to buy the Cleanse and Restore kit or buy any of the supplements, you may want to do it this month so that you also get the free frankincense. Do you see what I'm thinking? And also to make sure that you get them in time. Even if you probably would have time to order them in January, but I'm just thinking if you want to be organized and also make sure you get the free frankincense, then you may want to order either the kit or part of the kit this month. Does that make sense? We have, like I said, we've run this cleanse a few times now, and we do see so many benefits that our participants get. And you'll see if you go to my website, and I'll pop the link below. Lots of great testimonials, lots of great results, weight loss, more energy, clearer skin, balanced blood sugar levels. Also, you learn so much, and it's not for like a short-term fix, it's for life. So everything that we teach you is not like, a quick fix. They're things that you can really, really take with you and keep practicing as your lifestyle. That's the whole purpose of the program, is to make this about small steps that you can take to transform your lifestyle. And yeah, I don't like to brag, and I'm definitely not an arrogant person, but I do think that we provide so much value. I mean, and I haven't even told you about like a weekly yoga class that I run, and a live Q&A every week, and a WhatsApp group that this is the first time we're going to be adding this additional feature, a private broadcast WhatsApp group, so that we can keep you accountable and keep inspiring you. And the Facebook group, where there's like just such a great community. And anyway, it's brilliant. So I'd really love it if you came to join. If you also had a friend or a partner who you thought would want to join and would benefit from joining as well, obviously they're not a customer, you guys are a customer, so you're welcome to join for free. But if you have a friend or a partner or a daughter or anyone who you would like to invite to join the cleanse with you, because that really works as well when you do it with a friend or a partner, then they are so welcome to join, and we would love to have them join. They do need to pay, and they have two options in which they can join the program. And again, I'll send you the link. I'll make it clear below in this message. They have the option to join, but they do need to pay. But I do have a little gift that I would love to give both you and them if they want to join. And that's, I'm going to be running a healthy online cooking class to show you how eating healthily is delicious. It doesn't take a lot of work, and it's not boring rabbit food. And so I'm going to be running this cooking class the Saturday before the cleanse starts. So the cleanse starts on the 11th of January, and I'll be hosting an online cooking class via Zoom. And if you can't make it live, you'll be able to get the recording, where I'm going to show you live how to make really amazing yummy foods, because in the detox you get a recipe ebook, and I'll be showing you some recipes and how easy it is to make those delicious foods. So that's a bonus that you will receive, and your friend, partner, if they also sign up to the cleanse. So slightly different format for you guys. You get to join free with or without supplements, your choice. If you want to invite a friend or a partner to join, they do need to pay, and they can either pay £97 without supplements or £250 and get the full Cleanse and Restore kit. So two different pages that I'll direct you to on my website. If this is all super confusing, let me know, and I can clarify any questions that you might have. But the long and the short of it is that you can join for free, so you really should, because this is something really a lot of value that we want to offer you. And I will provide the links below here, and if you've got any questions, just send me a message. And if you are going to buy your supplements, maybe buy them this month so that you also get your free frankincense. All right, have a great day, lots of love, bye.